Welcome to this guide from zenoTECH. My name is Jack. Today on this video, I will be showing you how to protect your Mac from malware and unwanted connections. This will help keep your Mac more secure and have a better experience. To begin, let's talk about how to protect your Mac from malware. The app I recommend to protect your Mac from malware is an app called Malwarebytes. In my opinion, and for many others, it is the best anti-malware app for Mac. It does not intrude as much as other apps, and is far more reliable and has much better scanning results, and it does not destroy your system like others. So we're going to go ahead and open up Malwarebytes. You can get this for free from the official Malwarebytes website. Once you're in, you can check for updates by clicking Malwarebytes, check for updates, and you can verify you're up to date. And before you scan, click the Malwarebytes icon in the menu bar and click Update Protection. Then click on Scan, and then it will scan your Mac for malware if you have any. I don't in my case, but if you did, it would prompt you on how to clean it up and how to get rid of that malware and get your Mac running properly again. The next thing I want to talk about is how to update and use the built-in Apple security. Apple offers a built-in security app called Xprotect. However, you can never actually interact with it. It works in the background to automatically scan your Mac for issues, and if needed, use MRT or malware removal tool to remove the malware. In order to make sure that this is working, go to System Preferences. You can use the dock or Apple menu System Preferences, and click Security and Privacy, and make sure that Allow Apps Downloaded From is either checked as App Store or App Store and Identified Developers. The second part is go to Software Update, Advanced, and make sure that Install System Data Files and Security Updates is checked. This will automatically update the built-in Apple security software. Next thing we're going to talk about today is how to protect your Mac from unwanted connections. In order to do this, we are going to utilize the built-in Apple macOS Firewall. In order to set this up, go to System Preferences by clicking on the Apple menu in the top left, System Preferences, then click on Security and Privacy in the second section, second row, last item. Click on Firewall, click the lock, log in, and this may be off or this may be on. In my case, it's off. It's on, but I could turn it off temporarily. So this is probably what yours will look like. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and then click on Firewall Options. I recommend having this checked, and this checked. I don't recommend having this checked. This will just make your Mac not work properly. It'll block too many connections. But I do believe that you should check these bottom three. This will help prevent your Mac from unwanted connections and potential hackers. So that's Stealth Mode, automatically allows download software to receive connections, and automatically allow built-in software to receive connections. So that's about it on protecting your Mac. Other than that, some other tips I can offer: just use common sense. Don't download anything that seems suspicious or you're not sure of. And, if something tells you to download something, if you get a pop-up on the internet, do not download it. And if you download a image and it wants to install an app, trash the app and run Malwarebytes. And if anything seems suspicious, don't utilize it. And just don't go be downloading anything. If you can, try to stick to app downloads from the App Store. the App Store is the safest place to download all of the apps, because they have been approved by Apple, and some on the internet have, but especially all on the App Store. And other than that, just use common sense, and we can all be safe out there. Thank you. I hope you found this helpful. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.